Well, hello. So obviously I'm not in class with you guys, but I wanted to take a moment to introduce what you get to have today. Ta-da! In this case that you just unzip, you will open it up and you are going to see a whole world of fun. Oh yeah. So we've got a whole bunch of cables. This one is called the USB cable. And then you're going to see a bunch of these little guys here, and they have what's called an alligator clip on it. And all you do is just pinch it open like that, and you'll see some little teeth on it. If you were to poke this into anything, like, because you can poke it into fruit, you can poke it into Play-Doh or anything else. If you're poking it, you can just poke it right in. If you need it to stick onto something, like if you were sticking it onto this board, then you might want to open it up and use it like that. And then at the very end of class today, you want to make sure if it's gotten any kind of food or Play-Doh or anything on it, that you use a Clorox wipe just to clean it off out of respect for the next person to use it. And also because if you used any food items on it and it goes back in this case, it will get moldy over the week. So in your case, when you open it up, you will find that you've got this little board. And it will look like this. It says makey makey, and it's got holes and it's made of metal. And then on the back side of it, you are going to see all different kinds of stuff. Stuff that I'm not going to explain to you, because today is all about exploring and figuring things out for yourself. What can you do to figure out how to use this with this, your computer? I will caution you, I had one pair of students this week break this little tip off because when they inserted the connection for the USB, it just snapped right off when they were like pulling it out. And it's not a huge deal. I just bought a soldering iron so I can melt metal and get it back together. But if we can avoid that, that would be great. Anyway, inside of your kit might be one helpful tool. It's a little makey brochure. You could find that useful. Other ideas for research today would be to go online. Makey's got their own website. And of course, my favorite place to go to look for things is on YouTube. Again, today's just about exploring. What do you do when you're not given instructions on what to do? You get to play, you get to explore, and this is real life right here. This is what we do all the time. We learn by doing, we learn by exploring our environment, and we learn by researching. All right, so have fun. I return to school on Friday, and until then, if you've got any questions for me about homework or anything, you're welcome to email me, or you can just see me on Friday. All right, have fun.